afternoon, friends. It's Miss Kara from the Sachem Public Library, and we're out in the garden today, and we're going to read a Bumblebee book, and then we're going to follow up with a Bumblebee Craft. Horsefly and Honeybee. Honeybee was tired, so she stretched and yawned and plopped down inside a flower for a nap. But Horsefly was already inside. They had a fight. It wasn't pretty. Horsefly lost a wing. Honeybee lost a wing too. Drat, said Horsefly, and he ran away. Drat, said Honeybee, and she ran away too. Honeybee started the long walk home. She walked slowly and took a lot of breaks. Honeybee wasn't used to walking, but with just one wing, she couldn't fly. Then she came upon a pond. What could she do? She couldn't fly on over it. Suddenly she was grabbed from behind. Drat, said Honeybee. Bullfrog licked his lips and carried her deep into the pond. He plopped Honeybee down on a lily pad right next to Horsefly. Then Bullfrog went away in search of more dinner. Drat, said Horsefly. Drat, said Honeybee. They sat for a long time. Horsefly pouted. Honeybee pouted. Horsefly moaned. Honeybee moaned. And then they heard Bullfrog coming back. Horsefly grabbed Honeybee, and Honeybee grabbed Horsefly. They each flapped a wing, and up they went. Drat, said Bullfrog, and he hopped faster. He shot his sticky tongue into the air after them, but Horsefly and Honeybee were already out of reach. Drat, said Bullfrog. Together, Honeybee and Horsefly flew far away. They flew, and finally they landed on a flower. And there was plenty of room for both of them. Hi, welcome back. We're ready for our Bumblebee Craft. This is our bumblebee we're going to be making. And you will have all the supplies you need. The things you will need to provide from home are scissors, glue, and a marker. Included in our kit is going to be a yellow plate, a black sheet of paper that you're going to cut to make our stripes on our bumblebee. You will have a triangle. You will have 2 white circles, 2 black circles, 2 small black rectangles for our antennas, and then 2 different sized teardrops, a large one and a small one that we're going to glue together to make our bumblebee wings. So why don't we start with that first. We're going to glue our teardrops together like this. They're almost going to look like a heart, but any way you really put them together will work. So we'll put those to the side. We'll let those dry a little. Okay. First thing I think we're going to do is we're going to take our triangle and we're going to glue it to the back here. Put a little glue on the back of the plate. And then you're going to stick this down with the pointy side like that. So that's going to be, I think I'll even lower it a little. That's going to be our little bumblebee stinger. And then we're going to glue our wings on again right underneath like that. One on each side. Just like that. And then as I said, you are going to cut from the black paper some strips for our stripes on our bumblebee using this paper. we already have ours cut here, so we're just going to use these. You put your glue and give them a stripe down there. For a second stripe. And then lastly, our last stripe. Okay. Next, we're going to work on our eyeballs. You should have 2 white circles and 2 black circles. The white one, you're going to put some glue on it. Stick our circle in it. Set it any way you want. Glue on the back again. And then just set that down. So our bumblebee is going to have some big eyes there. Glue on the back again. Set that there. And he's almost done. All we need to do, oh, almost forgot the antennas. We're going to glue those down. Find a position which might be best for you, so it's kind of hard with his eyes. I'm going to set them to the side there, like that. And then we're going to give him a little bit of a smile. There you go, all done.